What are you doing? Delaney Rose, what did you let your brother do?
It's sunblock. It's supposed to help your skin.
What? You crazy boy. Look at this giant mess. I'm gonna go start. Don't put it on your pants. That's not okay. Now it's getting on my counter.
Uh-oh.
You crazy.